The WOLFBOX Hardwire Kit for the Honda Civic Sedan, 11th generation 2022 to present. Install. You will need a regular Phillips screwdriver, a small Phillips screwdriver, a fuse puller. Everything else is included in the kit. A fuse puller can be found in the underhood primary fuse box. Spare fuses can also be found in this location. I will be installing the WOLFBOX G900 TriPro cabin version. Wire routing examples. GPS, hardwire, rear camera, cabin camera. Gently remove kick panel, pull back, and slightly down. Careful as wiring is attached. Let it gently hang to the side. Loosen Phillips hex head. Push ground towards screw. It must touch metal to ground. Tighten Phillips hex head.
The WOLFBOX G900 TriPro cabin version.